A study in 1971 at Stanford Prison was conducted to answer a hypothesis if a treatment to some people is affected by roles that are assigned to them. In the study, some participants are assigned role as prisoners and the other assigned as guards. The participants were instructed to play act in one realistic prison scenario for 2 weeks. It only took 6 days. The pseudo-guards start verbally abusing the pseudo-prisoners. The pseudo-prisoners also submit to pseudo-authority. That's why, in only 6 days, participants reported the feeling of being psychologically tortured. The condition becomes so bad that the scenario needs to be stopped. This abandoned study implies if the situation is contrived, humans tend to conform and internalize whatever role is given. This also suggests that behavior is sometimes situational instead of irreversibly ingrained. A considered good person could act badly if they are given role as bad person or given some situation supporting the behavior. On the other side, the participants in the mentioned study who were assigned as pseudo-prisoners started feeling inferior and feeling worthless. This effect is called Lucifer effect. This study could also be applied to school and campus orientation. If you live in Southeast Asia, precisely Indonesia, where the author lives, you might be very related to this. Even though some campus orientation in certain campus or faculty there already progressed to be more humane, there are still so many phenomena where the seniors, psychologically, even physically, abusing the juniors in campus orientation. If we look carefully, the phenomenon is very similar to things what happened in Stanford Prison study. The seniors are given a higher authority position compared to the juniors that drive the seniors to do disrespectful things to the juniors by yelling, insulting, humiliate, and so on. It is not rare that seniors instruct heavy physical movement which can lead to physical abuse resulting in physical injury and in less common cases, death. And some students might say, this is for strengthening the mentality and maintain the culture of this faculty. Well, are you sure? Regarding people will have different reactions from verbal and relational abuse? Is it really helping the juniors or just showing off superiority as the seniors, since the seniors themselves maybe have low self-esteem? Or the seniors want to avenge what previously happened to the seniors themselves? Want to avenge what happened to you? Break the chain. Don't pass the abusive treatment and abusive behavior to the younger people who don't know anything. Subscribe to Biosciety for more society-related science video. See you later.